And today I am going to be making slime. So first you're going to add some glue. I have this big gallon of glue. So I have to pour it in. Glue, glue, glue. Okay, that should be enough. Put it back in. Now I'm going to put it there. Next, we're going to be adding shaving cream. So make sure you do this. And, whoa, it looks very pretty. That should be enough. You add some lotion. Here's the lotion. It's pink. Wait. So close it. And this, so now we're going to mix. You'll need a spatula. So you have to mix, 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 mix. Okay, now I'm gonna add some food coloring. I chose this pretty blue because I'm doing like these pretty mermaid blue colors. So I'm just going in and adding some blue. So just 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna mix. Okay, now that it's well mixed, now I have to add the glitter. So all I have to do is just sprinkle it like that. Now I am going to mix it. And this looks pretty good. Look, there's some glitter, and now we're getting ready to activate it. Are you ready, guys? So now that it's like this, we're gonna start playing with it in our hands to get it to the right consistency in our hands. So we start playing with it, and so it got to the right consistency. Look how beautiful it is. So now I'm gonna show you one more slime that I made last time. These are the 2 slimes I made. They're both so pretty and stretchy, and they're also so fluffy. And they're my favorite colors. So next time I make some other slimes, I'll do some other colors for you guys. So this is how I should play. Thanks for watching. This was my amazing slime video, and hope you enjoy.